Hey, what's going on? This your boy B with the beard, and today is Beard Food Thursday. That's right, Beard Food Thursday. And what we have on the menu is the Baobab yogurt parfait. The Baobab has a ton of benefits. It has vitamin C, it's going to help with boosting your immune system. The vitamin C pairs well with iron because it's going to help the iron absorb a lot better into your system, and you need the iron for blood flow for your follicles to encourage your hair and beard to grow. Also, it's a great prebiotic, so it's going to help with getting that, making sure your gut is cleansed. And if you don't know by now, your gut and your beard has a relationship. So as long as your gut is healthy, your beard is going to be healthy. Also, with it's one of the highest fruits that has alkaline, also antioxidants. So antioxidants is going to be, and vitamin C is going to be great for that radiant skin. So if you have a healthy skin, you have a happy beard. All right, it all goes hand to hand, fellas. And then lastly, also, it's a great pre and post workout. So it's going to help you recover from the damage from working out. Okay, so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you exactly how to make this Baobab yogurt parfait, again, that you can have in the morning to break your fast. You can also have in the afternoon. Of course, like I said, it can be a nice dessert in the evening, especially this summer. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's get started with some Baobab powder. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of Baobab powder. 2 tablespoons. You can do a little bit more if you like, at your own discretion. Then we're going to add second the 2 tablespoons of almond milk. You can use hazelnut. You can use whatever you like, but 2 tablespoons. Thirdly, we're going to mix it slowly. And we're going to mix it until we get like a yogurt-like consistency, just like that. Then I take about a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of strawberries and blueberries. You can use whatever you like, but this mixture works for me and it is tasteful. I like a little bit more. One for me, one for you. Boop. There we go. Next, some crushed walnuts. So you do a tablespoon of crushed walnuts. This is all pre-prepared crushed walnuts. And then 2 tablespoons of unsweetened shredded coconut, just to top it all off. We're gonna mix this bad boy all together. Make sure that we get the consistency of the yogurt and the berries and the shredded coconut and the crushed walnuts all mixed in together. So this can be a yummy delight. All right, well, I hope that you enjoyed this. This is super quick, super fast, super easy. This is something that you can have in the morning, the afternoon, dessert for after dinner. This is something I give to my son. This is a great way to introduce him to your kids into something healthier, healthier options. Make sure you guys subscribe. Please leave your comments at the bottom. If you have any recommendations of anything you'd like to see, please leave those down at the bottom in the comments. This is your boy B with the beard. As always, you already know, and we out.